Go into the treehouse. That's a humongous frog.
Where? Oh.
It's so real.
I want to see it all, like crib. Show us around. Ow.
It's pretty rustic. I like it.
I would have camps out here. Here's the porch. The sandbox for the children. The door. That sandbox. The door that locks. The shutter. Oh, wait, to climb up this thing?
Oh, such a hassle.
It's safe. Don't get my butt. This is my kitchen.
Catch me a catch. Ow.
Help. This is the second way. I can't fit through the door. This way.
That's a dangerous fall.
Hannah. See, this is another way of getting
broken.
Oh yeah, I can see it's a little. I fell down once and went off the side.
Oh.
I can't do it.
Cowabunga, dude.
It's very dangerous.
It's just a little dilapidated.
I fell off the side before. It's okay. I
but
survived.
But this swimsuit, so it hurts.
Okay, ready? Are you taping?
She just bit you. Literally.
That was my approach.
I was going to go backwards, but they are for sure in the pool. Wait, no. They're not. I lied. They're just shooting each other. There's another kid.
That hurts the butt. I don't know if I can do it. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, phone.
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
Okay, and we're off.
Here
comes Selena around the corner.
Here, you want to catch this? Doesn't matter if it drops. Is this secure?
Well,
I'm trying to break one of the pegs. I'm not a little kid.
Okay, right here it's a little slipper slide.
I have long legs.
I have to pee.
That's Katie Russell, everybody.
Oh, why do you have to slide? It's fun.
Sliding and splinters are not fun.
Well, use your towel as a device.
We did it.
You look like a maid, Sarah.
What?
You look like a maid.
Me?
Mhm.
In my little.
Okay.
Okay.
She's taking the other same approach.
Don't we be like? Okay, I'll wait till we start.
Hi, guys. Tell my buddy that I love him, Odie. And Odie, his tail fell off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's squeaking. It's squeaking.
I think that's her shoes. Don't look down. It's a good 8 feet. Not at all.
Probably like 5, because I can up in there and I'm about 5. That's feet, not you.
Just go down to the next peg and put your foot.
Now just slide. That's what it's kind of fun. Don't get scared. Slide.
I can see the kind of fun look on her face.
Slide. You're not sliding. I'm scared.
Look at this. This is how far from the ground you are. Oh, she almost has it. Slowly but surely, slowly but steady wins the race.
And I'm now 100.
Mission accomplished.
Nailed it.
Hello, Governor.
Hi, fish.
Hello, Roger.
Go tuck, go tuck.
Yeah.
I don't like how you never give it to me.
What she said. You're getting pwned by this